Wow, I am very pleased with that. This is my probably 6th or 7th attempt at the video that Fiona Art did many months ago, her video number 213, which has had over 1 million views, and hers is, of course, is completely different, but I'm very happy with the way this one has come out. This is the best one I have done to date, and I'm loving the colours. I tried to copy her colours as much as possible, but the white, pearl white, wasn't quite as bright as the other colours. But I'm trying to bring that up to show you how pretty that is. I'm so happy with it. So I used Montmartre Old Mauve, Montmartre Yellow Deep, Pearl White by Francheville, and Phthalo Blue, also by Montmartre. And the only one that had my pouring medium in with the silicone added was the Pearl White. And I want to say a big thank you to Sue Kleinsmith, my amazing friend in Australia, for giving me that idea, as she told me she had used Pearl White with the pouring medium in her paintings with excellent results. So I'm very happy with that. You would have noticed I have not torched it. I'm too scared to, because if I torch it I will probably get a lot more cells, and I like that just as it is. You saw my black base as well. That was Reno Art black. So that's it for me for this video. Thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.